Imagine a future where cars harmonize perfectly with nature. Well, the future is now. Introducing the 2025 Honda CR-VE, a trailblazer as the first hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle produced in the United States. This isn't just any vehicle, it's the only fuel cell electric vehicle that marries a US manufactured fuel cell system with plug-in electric vehicle charging capabilities. A true pioneer, setting a new standard in the automotive landscape. This isn't just a car, it's a leap into the future of sustainable transportation. How do you build a vehicle that redefines an industry? At the Performance Manufacturing Center in Ohio, the production of the 2025 Honda CR-VE unfolds as a vivid illustration of automotive evolution. The facility, known for its precision and innovation, has undergone a transformative adaptation to meet the demands of this new era. The production technicians, skilled artisans of the modern age, have embraced new techniques and components essential for the CR-VE. They meticulously assemble and install hydrogen tanks and high-pressure piping, crucial for the vehicle's fuel cell system. The integration of underfloor batteries adds another layer of complexity, requiring not just skill, but also a new understanding of safety and efficiency. Significant modifications were also necessary within the facility itself. The welding systems were enhanced and the paint systems reconfigured, all tailored to accommodate the unique design of the CR-VE. These changes ensure that every vehicle rolling off the line not only meets but exceeds the stringent standards set forth. Every bolt tightened and wire connected at PMC is a step closer to a greener planet. Transitioning technologies while maintaining quality is no small feat. At the heart of the 2025 Honda CR-VE's production is a bold shift from the Acura NSX's intricate aluminum space frame to a robust multi-material unibody construction. This transformation required a fleet of new welding robots equipped for precision tasks, alongside skilled technicians performing manual MIG welding. This meticulous approach ensures each joint is robust and precise, tailored to the vehicle's larger all-steel body. Adapting to the CR-VE's dimensions also meant overhauling the corrosion protection process. A redesigned E-coat dip tank and enhanced sealing equipment were introduced to provide superior durability and finish, safeguarding against the elements. Precision and innovation drive the CR-VE, setting new standards in vehicle manufacturing. What does the launch of the CR-VE mean for the future of driving? The unveiling of the 2025 Honda CR-VE marks a significant leap in automotive technology and sustainability. This vehicle, the first hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle produced in the United States, boasts an impressive 270-mile Environmental Protection Agency driving range. Additionally, it offers up to 29 miles of electric vehicle driving on a full charge, combined with the capability for fast hydrogen refueling for extended journeys. This not only ensures a dynamic driving experience, but also maintains zero emissions. Reflecting on Honda's 40-plus years of innovation in America, the CR-VE embodies the company's unwavering commitment to electrified vehicle production and a greener automotive landscape. The CR-VE isn't just a vehicle, it's Honda's promise to a sustainable, electrified future.